Hi guys, welcome to Teach to Code with Mario. Today we're going to explore getting input from the user on Java. We use what's called a scanner object. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to call it scanner project, or scanner practice, let's say. Scanner practice test. Alright, so here's my scanner practice test class. I'm going to go ahead and just do all of this inside of the main method right here. So let's start with just the basics. So let's start with the string. Let's initialize it to an empty string. From here, we're going to make a scanner object. So we say we want scanner. We're going to call it scan. And that's going to be equal to a new scanner object. And inside of the arguments here, we're going to pass system.in. So we want to get input from the system. I'm going to go ahead and import my scanner. Alright. Now, the first thing we have to do is we have to ask the user a question, right? If we don't ask them something, they don't really, there's nothing to answer. So we're going to do a simple print statement. And we'll just say, what is your name? And then that's where we go ahead and go, our name variable is equal to scan.next. Alright. So scan.next will store a string. So since name is of type string, everything is going to work out. Sorry, excuse me. These allergies lately. But anyways, so now what we got to do is print all this stuff out. So we'll do a system.out.println. And we'll just say hello or something like that. We'll give it a space because we're going to concatenate name. Because whatever you typed inside your inside of this question that we're asking you is going to be inside a name. So let's go ahead and give this a run. So what is your name? Mario. Hello, Mario. Okay. I kind of don't like how that's touching. So I'm going to give this a \n right here. And the only thing \n is going to do, if you haven't experienced it, it's going to give me a new line right away. Alright. So, let's go ahead and add an integer maybe. Anytime you're working with the database, they always have an ID. So usually you're going to give your users an ID number. So we would say system.out.println. What is your ID number? And we probably want to do this \n here, because otherwise we're going to end up with stuff. Anyways, so we're going to call our variable to store it. ID is equal to scan, the scanner object we created, .next, int now though. Since we did a integer for the ID, we have to make sure this is next int. So that way it knows it's storing an integer, of type integer, because if not, we'll get an exception. So here we're going to go again, system.out.println. We'll just say your ID number is, and then we'll just concatenate ID. So let's go ahead and give this a run. So we'll say Mario, we'll say what's your ID number, 123. Hello Mario, your ID number is 123. So I know it's pretty basic, but, you know, if we were building a database type program, something like this could really work. You'd have to train your employees on more of a command line interface though, which is weird, right? We're more graphical these days, but the logic could still be used into a graphical thing, you know. But anyways, GUI, graphical user interface, sorry, not a thing. So anyways, we're going to go into string, we're going to say address. We'll add one more just for good measure. Usually you're going to want your customer's address, right? For mailing purposes, you know, we could go into email address, all kinds of stuff. But anyways, we got to start by asking the user the question. And we're just going to say, what is your address? Be careful. Address is equal to scan.next. Not next int, because we're back to a string. And then from here, we're just going to go system.out. Print ln your address is, and we're going to concatenate address to that. So let's go ahead and give this a run. I see I need to give this a \n here. So what is your name? Mario. What is your ID? 123. What is your address? 2020, the real world. And there you have it. Hello Mario, your ID is 123, your address is 2020. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's pretty basic on how to use the scanner. I'm going to upload another one after this, probably involving some math. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a like and a subscribe. More videos are coming up. Thank you. Bye-bye.